Hey, how you going there? It's Anthony here. Welcome to Your Success Made Easier. What I'm doing here is putting a pre-launch for Builderall users because basically we're building it all with Builderall. And I thought, well, while we're doing it, we might as well do it together. So, and as Henry Ford, one of my great mentors, or sort of somebody that I look up to, says, if everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. I'm very much about productivity, high efficiency and streamlining systems. And I understand if we look at a car production line, it's very much the same philosophy of one person's coming into Builderall, they've got a website to build or a sales funnel to build, and then the next person comes in and they've got the same thing, and then so on and so on and so on. So what I've looked at is the model of that. I've looked at McDonald's and I've tried to standardize. And I understand that we're just, again, at pre-launch stage. So realistically, I understand that there's going to be gaps. We are working really, really hard in the background to bring all this now together. But we've got over 1,000 videos out there. And I know that Builderall has in excess of 2,000 videos in certain places. So really what we're trying to do is bring all that information up into something that's a little bit easier to manage. And it's really a tutorial library, I suppose. So ultimately, we're here to help build your business faster and easier while saving time and money doing it. And I think that sounds pretty good. So again, I'm Anthony Gardner. My business is actually Vuente, and it's all about helping you succeed easier. But we're an outsourcing business, and we've got our virtual assistants and what have you sort of all over the planet. And we don't necessarily call a VA somebody under us. We'll work with virtual assistants in higher level mentoring programs and everything else as well. So I've been building businesses for some 30 plus years, and we can see the receding hairline here a little bit, but yeah, today I've sort of seen myself as a performance coach, consultant and a mentor. Such a vast experience in so many different areas that I couldn't really put myself into just one bucket. And but my highlight business has generated $35 million in sales, and we had lots of fun and made lots of money. So that was a pretty good gig. What we did there was we streamlined systems, standardized and automated for simplified success. And back then it was just a huge eye-opener to me. And I've really taken that offline business mind and put it into an online business. And again, now I can help as many people as possible to build your business easier, help build your business easier. So what it really is about empowering or powering people through simplicity. So we've automated the training for speed and simplicity. We understand that business continues to evolve, so like ourselves, there's always an area to improve. So we've created standards for scalability, but we've got a whole different methodology there than what we'd find in Builderall. And we manage frequently asked questions with video tutorial posts, which is fine, but we also have common posts and common threads. So there's a lot more, I feel that there's a lot more consistency, and us as a community can start to share links giving answers rather than actually trying to ask answer in 100 words. Here's a little 3-5 minute video. And normally videos work really, really well. So look, I thought I'd just do this as a small explainer. You're going to be able to have a look around the screen. Now this is my membership site coming through. I am going to be sort of moving this towards a sales item, sort of in the area of $500 for a year's access. And at this stage, I've opened up Builderall because I know that I'm not quite at my level of perfection that I desire to get to. And I thought, well, look, there's so many people asking these questions. Why not roll it out and start building our businesses together? All right, well, here's to your success, and we'll talk to you somewhere throughout. Bye for now.